What do we mean by clean by flow? And what does it have to do with wet blasting? Let's talk about that. Wet blasting, as a process, uses clean by flow. This means that it flows onto and into your part rather than bouncing off of it. This clean by flow nature, seen in wet blasting, comes with many benefits. Firstly, you can access all areas of your parts, meaning you can clean unseen contaminants out of them. Now, this could be inside of tight passageways and grooves where the water and abrasive mixture, also known as the slurry, is able to flow inside of these areas and locations and clean them out. The water in this process also prevents against hard packing. Now, hard packing happens in sandblasting when the abrasive becomes lodged in corners and holes and packs itself into the part. Secondly, wet blasting will not damage your components because it gently flows across the contours of your parts. This is unlike sandblasting, which only uses the impact of the abrasive to strip your parts. Of course, using impact alone leads to damage. Wet blasting and its gentle clean by flow characteristics also provide bright polished finishes. Now, this, for example, in the remanufacturing industry is used to make parts look OEM again. This is unlike sandblasting, which creates dull and rough finishes. Remember, a higher perceived value of a product results in more cash flow for you or your business. Thirdly, unlike sandblasting, wet blasting does not generate heat. When sandblasting, heat occurs when the abrasive forcefully impacts the part. This can cause thin materials to warp. Because the water cushions the abrasive, wet blasting does not create friction or heat and will not warp your parts. Also, when cleaning by flow, the water cushions the impact and you no longer have to worry about sparks. Lastly, vapor blasting does not emit dust particles into the air, which lowers your chances of developing a lung disease. Now that we've covered the benefits of cleaning by flow, let's discuss the one disadvantage of this process. The clean by flow process causes some metals to flash rust immediately after blasting. This occurs because water helps aid in the formation of rust. Thankfully, there is an easy fix to this issue, a corrosion inhibitor. Now, this inhibitor will provide you a 72-hour window to coat your parts after blasting before any corrosion will appear. To recap, the clean by flow process that wet blasting takes advantage of is not aggressive. It does not harm soft metals, sealing surfaces, or plastics, and provides beautiful polished finishes. Contaminant and coating removal is also easy when cleaning by flow, as it carries the abrasive along your part, stripping it as it does. Wet blasting is also a safer process for you, as it does not emit dangerous particles into the air, and it definitely does not damage your components. Overall, wet blasting, with its clean by flow nature, is the best surface prepping and finishing process available. This process is also highly adjustable, depending on your applications and needs. If you have any questions about wet blasting or would like more information, please contact us at 828-202-5563. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like content just like this. Thank you all for watching, have a great day, and peace.